Beets may taste sweet, but that doesn't mean they aren't healthy for you. The list of health benefits of beets is long. They promote healthy functions throughout the body. Like most vegetables, beets are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Plus, they are low in calories to promote weight loss. Beets are a perfect ingredient in a healthy diet. Not to mention beets taste great. They are a unique veggie in that they are earthy, sweet, and can be cooked in a ton of different ways. I love beets because they provide a needed blast of sweetness in a healthy, low-refined sugar diet. Once you learn about these health benefits of beets, you'll want to include more beets in your healthy diet. Beets may look kinda funky and extraterrestrial, but they are in fact from Earth. They even come directly from the planet since their fruit grows underground, the root of the plant. Beets, or beetroot as called outside of the US, are an inexpensive root vegetable that is grown throughout the world. Originally used in French cooking, it is now especially important in the cuisine of cooler climate countries like Russia, Ukraine, Germany, and Eastern Europe. Health benefits of beets. 1. Improved athletic performance. Beets contain dietary nitrates. Studies have shown that these types of nitrates help improve endurance. Studies with athletes and beets have also shown increased stamina levels and athletic performance. This study showed that beet consumption prior to exercise can increase performance and time to exertion in endurance athletes. Peak nitrate and blood flow levels occur 2 to 3 hours have beet consumption. So, time your intake accordingly if you are looking to get a performance boost. 2. Improved brain health. One of the reasons that brain performance declines with age or dementia are due to decreased blood flow. Those same nitrates that help increase athletic performance may also help increase brain performance because they help increase blood flow. Studies like this one have shown that a nitrate-rich diet resulted in increased blood flow to the brain compared to a low-nitrate diet in older adults. Specifically, blood flow increased to the parts of the brain responsible for executive functions like memory, judgment, and focus. So, eat some beets next time you need to be clicking on all cognitive levels. 3. Low in calories, high in nutrients. High nutrition and low caloric density are a winning combination when determining if food is healthy or not. Like many other vegetables and beets are high in nutrients, but low in calories. So, eating beets will help provide your body with valuable vitamins and minerals while promoting weight loss. 4. Help reduce the risk of cancer. Red beets are so colorful because of a pigment called betalain. This antioxidant is believed to have anti-cancer properties by reducing the number of free radicals in the body. In addition, beet extract has shown potential for use in chemotherapy. 5. Help lower blood pressure. As we've talked about in a few other listed benefits, the nitrates in beets help increase blood flow. This increased blood flow will help lower blood pressure. Studies like this one show that blood pressure reduces as quickly as a few hours after consuming beets. The effects only last for about 6 hours. So regular beet consumption in your diet is necessary to experience long-term benefits. 6. Reduce inflammation in the body. Here is another benefit of betalain. In addition to reducing the risk of cancer, this pigment may defend against inflammation in the body. Chronic diseases like obesity, heart disease, and cancer are associated with inflammation. So, reducing inflammation can have a positive effect on overall health. Studies have also shown beets to reduce kidney inflammation. 7. Improve digestive health. Beets are a great source of dietary fiber. Dietary fiber is important in digestive health. It helps keep you regular, reduces constipation, and contributes to gut health. The fiber in beets moves past the stomach and small intestine to your colon. There it helps clean the colon, which reduces your risk for colon cancer. 8. Reduce risk of heart disease. High blood pressure is one of the leading risks of heart disease. And we already talked about how the nitrates in beets help lower blood pressure by increasing blood flow. These nitrates help open up blood vessels and reduce blood pressure, meaning a reduced risk of heart disease. 9. Promote healthy eyes. Carrots aren't the only vegetables that are good for your eyes. Beets contain similar pigments called carotenoids which have been shown to promote eye health. 10. Promote a healthy liver. The pigment in beets, betalain, not only has antioxidant properties but also detoxification properties. Studies have shown betalain to prevent oxidative damage in the body. It also has been shown to reduce the accumulation of fat and damage to the liver. This helps maintain overall liver health. 11. Provide a boost to immune system. Beets are rich in vitamin C, which is known to help boost immunity. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps grow, repair, and protect cells. In addition, it helps the absorption of iron, another nutrient that improves immunity.